Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my little variation on a Lynchburg Lemonade, which is made with Jack Daniels. Jack Daniels is distilled in Lynchburg, Tennessee. So there's a lot of different recipes out there for Lynchburg Lemonade. Some of them call for bottled sweet and sour, but I like more fresher ingredients, fresh lemon for instance. Some call for triple sec, some don't like triple sec. I like triple sec in mine, so we're going to add it. I got this cool little bar set here. It's got straws, jiggers, mixing tin, strainer, really everything you need here. So we're going to be using that today. You're going to start with your mixing tin. We got our glass here. It's chilling down with some ice. Put that aside for now. Take our jiggers out. So you got 1.5 on top, 3/4 on bottom ounces. You're gonna do ounce and a half Jack Daniels. I'm going to do an ounce of sweet and sour. I mean, not sweet and sour, sorry. Simple syrup. Simple syrup is just 1 part sugar, 1 part water. You can make it at home. You do a cup of sugar, a cup of water. You've already got it there. We're going to do an ounce of fresh lemon. Squirt it all over myself first. A little more. Alright, and then I'm going to put about an ounce triple sec. Make it thin as well. Shake. Gets cold real quick. Take off the top. Get our chilled glass, dump out the ice. Got Sprite. Fill up with Sprite. Lemon garnish. And a straw. That's a Lynchburg Lemonade made with Jack Daniels.